Well, hello, Dirty Repo. How are you doing today? What's up, everyone? Let's take a look at the repo. We have 79 counterparties at 1.597 trillion. Now let's look at the historic recent operations and see where we're at for the current 5 or 6 transactions. So we have 1597 for today. We had 1598 on Friday of last week, 1636 before then, 1536 before that. So we're trending slightly down from Thursday basically of last week, so we'll have to wait and see what happens. It is triple witching week this week, so keep that in mind. There's a lot of money being moved around, so we'll have to wait and see. But yeah, I expect the crime to continue. 79 counterparties at 1,597,137,000. While we're at it, let's go and check the Treasury balance as well. See where we're at there. After being so low at the end of the year last year. Okay, so opening balance this fiscal year was 215. We're double that now. We're at 441, 135 as of 113. So, wow. Yep, crime continues. There's your update for today. Dirty Repo, crime continues. 1.597 trill.